What's happening, people? So today we are back in Jamie's Clubman and we are fitting a TDI tuning box. I mean, I don't know much about this. Cookie just said, do I want to pop round and film something for it? Bit of content for you guys. So yeah, what do you know about it, Cook?
Not a lot, just a tuning box, isn't it?
So what's it claiming it gives you?
So apparently the horsepower goes from 302 to 365, I think.
365. It's big. It's quite
big. That's why I don't really believe it.
Yeah, I've not heard much about these. You hear like things about tuning boxes that they're not.
I researched it last night after I brought it.
Right.
It sat there for 2 days and I thought I better research this a bit more.
What's it coming up? Some mixed reviews. I had a little.
Like Living Life Fast had one and he's on 4 and he rated it.
Oh, he did.
But they're going to say that because they got it for free. I didn't get mine for free.
Yeah. So this is going to be like legit, straight up, what we think of the TDI tuning. I mean, I think you've got to fit it and then you've got to do what, 40 miles?
They reckon like 40 miles until you start playing with the modes. It's got 7 modes apparently.
Right, so what we might do is we're going to fit it today. I think Cook's going to go out driving, get 40 miles ish. 40 miles ish in the Clubman, and then tomorrow we'll jump on another video and give you the full sort of review of the TDI tuning box. I mean, we'll go through the modes.
So you have a little drive, see what launch is like, and
no, sweet.
The gearbox takes it.
Yeah, happy days. So stay with us. We're jump to fitting it, and we'll catch you in a second. So these are the instructions. Yes, that's good, wasn't it?
Apparently pull this off for twin powered. Got cam, which is that being unplugged in. Boost, which is that.
Yeah.
And then that's boost 2, and then boost 1.
I think you're looking at here, isn't it?
Yeah, you're
can't see the picture that well. So where the air box, oh, it's here, and there, let's see the silver bit down there. That's filthy. So you got to take this off, I'd imagine. A couple of 8mm sockets.
Plug and play. Oh, so one will plug into the car and one will plug into the box.
Obviously, yeah.
Too early. If you come around half an hour later, I'm ready.
Yeah. The black thing, so you pull back. That's. I wonder what the thread looks like in these. Where is it? You've got to have similar ones, haven't they? Yeah. Oh yeah, look, pull back. Pull back.
Oh, you put it right back. That's that low, isn't it?
Pull back. Yeah. Just don't be too heavy-handed with it. Right guys, this is an absolute
50.
Take 50. This has took us so long, and we've discovered, because we're so fucking wise, we're like the 2 wise men. Basically, what we've got to do, no, iPhone, we did this ourselves. So basically, what you got to do, Cook, so people ring.
Well, we found this out, didn't we, ourselves? Yeah. So you pull that white tab up.
Pull the white tab up.
Push it, and then push the sensor in a bit more. Look how easy it come out for you.
Yeah, that's right. So guys, if you're going to do this and you've got these clips, literally, you got to pull it up about 2mm, push it in, and then twist to the left, and then pull, and it should. Oh yeah, twist. Oh yeah, so it's twist to the left. Yeah, like that, guys. Would I have to do that again? No, you'll get the gist, guys. Yeah, then boom. Yeah.
2 more to do.
2 more to do. That literally took us about 25 minutes.
Now let me make sure we're right. So
we're on the rock and roll now, aren't we? So for the final one, you will have to take off the intake, which is a bit of a pain. But here we are. That looks like my ratchet, to be fair.
Fuck off, it's mine.
Is it? And them drill bits. I said I want back. Yeah. But You never give them back. Oh, nice.
Fucking hell. So that's boost number 1, yeah? You lost the truck.
Yeah, no, it is. I put them down there in the headlight, down there. 100%. That is it.
It's that one, isn't it?
So we are all plugged in, everything's set. So we're going to turn the engine and make sure there's no faults.
There is. It's coming.
If there is, yeah, we're leaving it.
So far, so good. We fucking done it.
We fucking did it! It's freezing, it's cold.
Finally.
Yeah. So now you got to do 40 miles in it.
Yeah, I'll drive to the shop and back.
And then you can play with the modes. It's turned on then.
Yeah, it's on. So the ECU has to learn it apparently, but it's there.
So then when you go into the mode, is that when you pick what?
Yeah, it's all power. So from 1 to 7 is obviously max power.
Which you're going to go for?
Yeah, probably. And then...
Yeah, good camera angles there.
It was really good.
Yeah.
I feel fucking stupid holding it.
It's not like it's...
Yeah, I won't do any modes until tomorrow. We'll do like reaction, like see, like you drive it standard, both drive it standard,
and then
tomorrow.
flick it.
Then we'll turn it on. We'll both have a go mode 7
and see what it's on. Yeah.
I'll do that tomorrow.
We'll have a little trip out for an hour. Can't go too long because it's the third moment, aren't they?
Yeah.
Quite less, yeah. So there we have it, guys. It's literally cable tied there. It's all plugged in. Cookie's happy. Got no faults. TDI tuning box. We're jumping back to it tomorrow for a little hours blast or whatever. So we'll pick up the video then. So yeah, we'll actually go for a blast and tell you what we think of the TDI tuning box.
Yes.
Happy days.
Well, it's worth the money on it.
Yeah. See you in a bit. See you later. So we are back again in the Mini Clubman.
Done a review on the car.
Yeah, we're not reviewing it. No, we're back. Stay tuned. Cookie's done. How many miles you done in it?
I drove to Woodham and back twice.
Did you?
Yeah.
So that's got to be about.
That's 40.
Yeah.
We'll go to the gravel area and then we'll turn it on.
No, that's cool. So we're back in it. Cookie's done 30-ish, 40 miles yesterday. So we're going to drive to this little secluded destination with a nice view, whack the tuning box on, and then see what it's saying. That's literally all we can do. I mean, we can't put it on a dyno just because we haven't got the facilities.
No.
But
it's the most exciting video you're ever going to do today.
Yeah. What's that?
It's going to be the most exciting video you're ever going to do.
It's so exciting. You guys at home are in for a right treat. We know how it feels, but will we feel the absolute difference? I don't know.
Probably not.
No.
I'm not too hopeful.
No.
But
we'll see.
you get 30-day money back guarantee, so
30-day money back guarantee.
You don't notice much. It'll go back.
So stay with us. We'll whack it on, go for a drive, and see what we're saying.
Peace.
So we've got mode 7.
Yeah, we're in mode 7 now. Ultimate power.
Ultimate.
You better hold on to your fucking seatbelt.
I think I'm going to have to. Oh. So it is literally as easy as that. You literally just...
Oh, it sounds so the same.
It does. You just literally flick a switch and you're off, basically. Should we put the camera up there?
Yeah, should we
Yeah, alright, 1 second. Right, we're here. Mode 7. Let's see what TDI tuning box is saying. I think it's where you are as well. Oh god, that, I don't know, it's hard. It just feels quick anyway, doesn't it? It is just a difficult, because I always have said this is quick. I actually
It is like a quick car.
It is a quick car.
It's just a difficult one.
It is a difficult one. Yeah, so we say quick. We go this way. You need to do that again. You need to do that on a straight.
That's so much quicker. It never wheel spins normally.
No.
The front's fun.
And it's dry. It is dry.
And I've got good tyres as well. Got eagle fronts.
Mate, when it went to go to that other gear, that felt like it was going to shoot us off. So we've tested it. No, look at my terrible hair. It's fucking dreadful. Oh mate, it's bad. I'm trying to grow it.
Old mate.
It's fucking dreadful. Don't ever cut your hair off. Right, we've tested it, and I actually genuinely think it pulls harder. It definitely.
I do
feels,
on like 0 to 60. That's a lot quicker. It feels a bit more aggressive.
Yeah, but this, for me, this car is just quick anyway, and it's very impressive for what it does, for what it looks like.
Minute, normally they're a bit disappointing.
Yeah,
John Cooper works.
He's pretty sick. I rate this very highly in my books.
You took the piss out of it.
I did, but then when I've drove it and been out in it with you, and I just think it's very, very
surprising, isn't it?
Yeah, 100%. Like compared to what I have been in and what I've driven before in the past, this is very, very, very good. So. Yeah, recommend one of these if this is what you're into, 100%. But TDI tuning box from me, I would definitely say it pulls harder, and I don't know.
There's difference. You can't feel it massively.
Yeah, I think until you get it on a dyno, then we'd really know. But
we'll sort that out soon.
Yeah, would you recommend one? I mean, it's hard because you only had it on a few thingies, but
on for like an hour, innit?
Yeah.
So far, yeah. Like you can feel gain somewhere, whether it's what they say. It'll never be the figures they tell you.
No, and fitting it was very easy once you work out the clips. So
you're not thick.
Yeah, what was I going to say? The clips, it was literally pull up to about 2 mil, weren't it? Push in and then push to the right, wasn't it?
So push towards the body and then twist to the left a bit.
Yeah.
But we lost 2 clips anyway.
We lost 2 clips, but yeah, that's the only thing to mention really. But
that's the hard bit. Yeah, other than that, it's simple, and probably where to cable tie it because you get a lot of loom, wiring loom, and the box will be awkward.
Yeah, but other than that, it's pretty good. So that is the TDI tuning box. That's our thoughts on it. But
it's like a dyno soon.
Yeah, we'll get a dyno day definitely.
A couple of cars.
Yeah, and that's pretty much it really, guys. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will catch you in the next one. Take care, guys.